CERcuits is a technology company from Belgium that specializes in the development and manufacturing of ceramic circuits and submounts for the photonics and electronics industry. Our goal is to enable applications to improve their performance and increase their usability by using ceramics. And in order to do that, we would like to make it easy for engineers and researchers to use them. And we do this in 3 different ways. First, we have our online portal at ceramic-pcb.com, where you can find material information, design rules, quotes, lead times, and you can order immediately online. Secondly, we have our in-house manufacturing line here at the Innovation Campus in Geel, Belgium, where we have a unique process that enables us to make small batches and prototypes in a very efficient way. And last but not least, we have also developed unique technologies and standard products that increase the usability of ceramic significantly. For example, we have fine line capabilities that go down to 40 microns. We also have the ability to add 3D features, like for example cavities. We can add special surface finishes, for example without any magnetic interference. And we can also apply special masks, for example for the use in UVC environments. Our solutions are used by hundreds of customers all across the globe. We work with Ivy League and other top universities, research institutes that are doing cutting-edge work, as well as technology Fortune 500 companies and also small engineering firms. Applications include automotive, semiconductor, power electronics, specialty LED and laser, and RF and microwave applications. The reason these applications use ceramic materials are because of its high thermal conductivity properties, its mechanical and environmental stability and robustness, as well as its favorable dielectric properties. And we supply ceramic circuits and submounts in several materials, but mainly alumina and aluminum nitride. However, we can also supply silicon nitride circuits as well as transparent materials like sapphire and quartz. If you would like to learn more about CERcuits as a company, or to see if ceramics is indeed the right solution for your application, do not hesitate and go to ceramic-pcb.com or contact us at sales@cercuits.com.